Folks, you know how some songs instantly paint a picture in your head? A mood, a place, or maybe even a whole story. And all you want to do sometimes is to take that feeling and make it visual. Something you can actually watch, not just imagine. The good news is that it has become a lot easier lately. My name is Daniel, and today I want to show you Autopilot by neuralframes. And no, it's not another basic video generator that slaps some random footage on top of the song. I'll walk you through how it works, what you can do with it, and why it's honestly worth checking out. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's see what Autopilot is all about. It's the newest AI-powered assistant by neuralframes that enables you to turn songs into professional videos. You upload the track, and the system builds a visual storyboard based on the lyrics and mood. The whole idea is to simplify the process without completely removing your input. You still make creative choices, guys, but the technical steps are handled for you, from syncing the visuals to exporting the final result. Autopilot is designed for artists, producers, or anyone who wants to create videos that actually match their sound, and you don't even need to open editing software or learn timelines. Folks, let's see how it works in practice. First things first, head over to the neuralframes website and log into the account. Choose the Autopilot feature on the left bar. Now we can upload the track. While the song is loading, it's possible to edit its title, find out its characteristics, and generate an album cover. The track's entire visual layout is already visible in the waveform, guys. It allows us to select the exact portion we want to turn into a video. There are also a few settings to adjust. First, choose the aspect ratio, vertical or horizontal. We're going with a 30-second TikTok clip duration, so it automatically switches to vertical. Next up is the video concept, my friends. You can write your own or let the system suggest one based on the track's mood. Same with the style. You're free to pick from existing presets, create a new one, or leave it to the tool. There's enough flexibility here for both hands-on users and those who prefer a faster workflow. Okay folks, let's choose the piece from the beginning of the song, a bit longer than 30 seconds. Auto-transcribed lyrics appear just below the waveform. If anything looks off, we can manually edit the text before moving on. Once everything's set, hit Create Clip. That's when Autopilot starts building your video. Now guys, click on a clip and see a full storyboard. This is where you can really shape how the video will look. There is a general video concept generated by the AI, which you can change however you want. As for the style, Autopilot suggested dark fantasy. If that's not the vibe you're going for, you can swap it. Just choose a preset from the list, folks, or craft your own style. The platform provides sample images for each of them, giving a clear idea of the final result. Each clip is displayed as a frame with a preview image and a short description. You can edit each element separately. The photos look quite impressive right away, but let's try something different. Folks, I'm switching to cinematic realism just to explore another direction, saving that change. And now I'm hitting regenerate scenes. It costs just 1 credit to do that. Once it's done, we get 2 new scenes. And again, each of them has its own image and description, and both can be edited just like before. This time, guys, I want to change just the first image, so I click Get New Image. And that new version feels closer to what I had in mind. Alright friends, now that we're happy with the storyboard, it's time to render the full video. Here, you can pick between different models. I'm going with Clean Pro for this one. And finally, there are 2 rendering modes. The first one goes straight to generating the full clip. It's faster, but you won't be able to review and edit scenes beforehand. The second one, guys, generates keyframes, which means you get to preview each scene. You can tweak any scene before the whole video is rendered. It gives you more control and helps avoid surprises, but takes a bit more time. I'd rather keep things under control, so I'm choosing the second option. That way I can catch any issues early and be sure everything lines up the way I want. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. While the keyframes are generating, we can already see how Autopilot builds the scenes. Each one is split into clips. The tool also uses a consistent character reference, so the main figure looks the same in all episodes. Now folks, each clip includes timing, prompts for both image and video, and a preview you can open full screen. All of it is editable. For example, I don't like the compass in the third clip. Guys, to fix that, just remove it from the prompt and regenerate the keyframe. The new version is beautiful and matches the rest of the scenes. With everything ready, we move on to video generation. The platform says that the rendering process can take up to 10 minutes. Once it's done, we get a polished result. Let's watch it, folks. The visuals are strong, great motion, dramatic lighting, and the character moves naturally. But there's one clip that feels off. The girl is moving backward toward the portal, but I actually want her walking that way with her back to the camera. Guys, to fix it, we find the clip by timestamp and update the prompt. I'm adding a small note here to clarify the direction. First, hit regenerate the keyframe to see if the platform understood the new instruction. Yes, that's exactly what we wanted. Now guys, we go ahead and regenerate the video. Let's see how it handled the adjustments. This time the shot looks way better. This means that even after a full render, you still have control. Now we can export the video in 2x upscale. I'll mark the result as excellent. And after the upscaling, folks, it's possible to download it. Now, if at any point we want to come back to this project, it's all still editable. Just open the video from your library, click Open in Editor, and it loads into the full editing space. Inside the editor, you can fine-tune every part of the video to match your vision, from prompt and camera motions to track and timings. So folks, after spending some time with Autopilot, one thing is clear. It makes music video creation much more approachable. The process feels smooth from start to finish, and the final result aligns naturally with the sound and tone of the track. It's a solid option for anyone looking to add visuals without getting lost in complicated tools or workflows. All it takes is a song and a creative idea. Guys, if you want to try it out, I dropped a link below, give it a go and see how your song looks with visuals. It might surprise you. Also let me know in the comments what kind of tracks you'd love to bring to life with this tool. I'm curious what you tested on first. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.